Welcome everybody from my home to yours. It's time for our butt lift naturally. Here's some easy exercise that you could do to firm up that rear end and look great from behind. So let's start with a deep cleansing breath. Inhale and exhale. Bring in that oxygen, it equals energy. Bring in that energy and let out any stress. Just get rid of it. It's time to relax and tone up that bottom half to make it your better half, I promise. Okay, one more deep breath. Inhale, stretch it up, and exhale, stretch it over. And as you exhale, squeeze the bottom right now. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Tighten it up and inhale up. And exhale, squeeze that bottom. Come on, tighten that tushy. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. That's it. And release. And let's begin toning and targeting now the buttocks. We're gonna go down and up. This is called a one-legged squat. You're just working concentrated and focused on that one leg right here, that tush tightener. That's it, lift up. Take it down and squeeze up right here. There you go, you got it. You can do it. Just get down a little lower, sit back. Notice this leg is just kind of here as a kickstand. It's not being used, no weights on this leg. It's all the weight is through the heel, driving through the heel. Push back up to really target tone the tushy. That's it, great. You'll look great from behind, I promise. Remember that rear end is the last thing that leaves the room, so leave a great lasting impression. We got one more. And release. And let's just switch legs. Bring this foot up and take it back. That's it. Really squeeze that bottom. Tighten it up. Really sit back. Feel it through the heel. That's it. Think about good posture. Zip up those abs. We all need reminded. Right back here. That's it. Suck in the gut. That's it. Zip up those abs and squeeze that bottom. When you go down, you come back up and you really tighten up that tushy. Yes. You got it. We got two more. Sit back. Last one. Sit way back there and come up. Okay, let's take it on down to the mat. The first exercise is to lift the leg from behind and flex the foot. Now, think about good posture here. Is your back straight and strong? Are your abs pulled up and in? Lift up and down. It's a slight lift and squeeze. That's it. Squeeze at the top and relax. Notice my shoulders are in line with my wrists. Don't go too forward or don't go back. It's all in perfect alignment. Good technique is so important in this exercise. Don't arch your low back. It's tightening up through the abs that help keep your back nice and strong. The core muscles are pulled up and in. That's it. Two more of these. Think about strong bodies, strong minds, because you are worth it. Last one, lift it up, hold it up there, baby ones, lift, pulses, pulse. Two more, last one, hold it up. Now point the toe, drop down to your elbows and lift the leg from behind. Lift and lower, that's it. Squeeze that bottom, great. You might see my mic back there, so don't worry. It's just so you can hear me, teaching you the right way. Okay, we got two more. Last one, hold it up there. Little pulses now. Squeeze at the top, tighten up that tushy. You got it, firm it, tone it, shape it. Don't let it go south. Nothing will droop or sag if you firm up those muscles back there. Great, okay. Let's switch sides to the other side. The first one is on your hands. Make sure the shoulder's in line with the wrist. Good posture here. Flex that foot and let's lift and lower. Think about good posture here. Your stomach in, your back strong and straight. It's all about sucking in the gut here. We all have to feel it zipped up. Core is tight, so the buttocks do the work. That's the goal here. Make sure you squeeze at the tippy top. Squeeze, yes. Almost like squeezing every drip of water out of that towel. Squeeze it. Great, squeeze. We got two more here. Really lift and tighten up. This is what's lifting that booty. That's it, last one. Lift up and baby pulses up. Come on, lift it, tone it, shape. Lift it higher, that's it. Beautiful. And release. Straighten out the leg, drop down to your elbows to protect the spine, and now slowly lift it up and down. That's it. Lift and lower. This is elongating the leg and targeting the buttock muscles, the gluteus maximus, making it our gluteus minimus. Lifted and toned so we look great in our jeans. That's it. It's all about firming and lifting and shaping and sculpting. That's good. We got 2 more. Come on, you can do it. It's worth it. Come on. Last one. Baby pulses up. Lift it up, 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 up. Tighten up the tummy. Good. You got it. Use it. Great. We got last one. And release. Wonderful. Now, come on down. Other really good exercise for the buttocks is called the pelvic tilt, and it's also a great buttocks lift. All you do is tighten up through the tummy, keep your abs strong, lift all the way up through the hips, lift it up as high as you can, keeping your back strong and straight, keep your feet flat on the floor, and let's squeeze at the top and come back down. Squeeze and down. This is a great way to target tone the buttock muscles. Lift them and release. We're gonna get a great buttocks workout. We just got a few more of these. I have lots of variations of this to really work different areas through the buttocks, the sides of the buttocks, so you get that beautiful contour. Got one more, and lift it up. And slowly come back down. Now bring your legs together. Almost feel as though your inner thighs are glued together, your knees are glued, your big toes are glued. Now you come up and you do baby pulses up. Pulse up, just tighten up that tushy. Squeeze it, squeeze, release, squeeze. Just hold it right there. Now keep it up there. Great. And now tilt from side to side, side and the other side, side and the other side. This is gonna reshape that bottom half. Tilt, tilt, last one, good. Okay, come down. Just bring your knees to your chest. Roll up, let me see your beautiful smiling face. That's it, bring your chest up and slowly lift your hips up nice and tall and turn to the side and to the other side. Working the sides of the waistline. That's it, great. Just really lift your chest up. Wonderful, we got 2 more of these. Last one, and release. Now slowly bring your legs together, placing your fingertips towards your buttocks, this one, and you're gonna squeeze the buttocks and come all the way up. Squeeze, 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 tighten up that tushy. That's it, if you don't squeeze it, no one else will. My famous line I love, because it's so true. It's just a joke though, really. And lift up. And out, and slowly come right back up into a nice plank position, reverse plank, and it's about those abs now. Tighten up those abs, good. And squeeze the buttock muscles. Gluteus maximus and minimus are squeezed in. And release. Beautiful. Now slowly come all the way up, standing up nice and tall, getting halfway up. And now curl your toe under and press up. Great for the buttocks right here. Tighten it all up, tushy tightener. Come on, squeeze it, tighten it. That's it. Now slowly bring your arms all the way up if you can and get as low as you can, getting a good stretch for the legs, but also a great tushy tightener. And use the power of your legs to come back up and lift up and down. Let's go to the other side. Bring the leg behind you. Now squeeze the bottom, tighten up that tushy right now. Tighten it up right here. Squeeze, squeeze. Strong bodies, keep it nice and strong. Is your back leg nice and straight? Now lift up that rear. You got it, come on. You wanna look good from behind, don't you? Now bring your arms up, strong arms. Lift up, beautiful, exalted warrior. Tighten up through the legs and lifting the bottom, the butt lift. Great, and bring your legs all the way together now. Bring them together, inhale all the way up. And exhale and just hold the position. Hold, hold in chair. Bring your arms up, squeeze through the buttocks. That's it. And lift up and drive yourself up. One more time, take it down. Notice it's at a tight slope. Hold it down there, just a little bit. Hold it down. See how I'm sitting back, not in front. Knees never go in front of your toes. We got one more. Lift up and sit back into chair pose. Hold it up. Squeeze your inner thighs together. Squeeze your inner thighs. That helps squeeze everything together and firms up the buttocks. I hope you enjoyed my workout today. If you'd love to join me, I'd love to have you. It's part of my 10-week plan. Come on the journey together. Every single day I give you a workout, a new workout each day. I give you great recipes, a meal plan. I take you through almost like I'm holding your hand to really help you, guide you through the 10-week plan. I give you motivation that will really inspire you. Each day, I'm there for you. I'm your personal trainer. I come right into your home, right online, to help you, to really get you to lose that weight. Not just lose weight, but get energy, feel good. That's what life's all about, feeling good about yourself because you deserve it. Get fit because you're worth it. Have a beautiful day today.